I am in San Francisco, and a customer who saw my YouTube video gave me a call, and they had another carpet cleaner come out to fix this. And it looks like we've got hot glue or maybe latex. Probably it looks a little too dry. That has just come up. The carpet is quarter turn. And just looking at this donor piece that fortunately the customer had, you can see that the carpet that the technician who came out just kind of crudely cut it out. So even this is a sign that they just did not know what they were doing or care what they were doing. And the tenant here told me that he even borrowed their kitchen scissors because he didn't have any, and he said he ruined their scissors because he got glue all over it. Fortunately, the tenants were able to file a complaint with the company and get their money back, and they gave me a call and ready to try to tackle this one. I did try to tell him that, well, I do think I can improve this. This is a very tricky carpet to work with. It's not as forgiving, and there may be some color variation, some visibility, but certainly we can improve on this. What did this guy do? Double-sided tape. Double-sided tape. It's so difficult. They do this. The line's going the wrong way. Okay, that's the cutout. Now it's time to seam it in place.
That looks better without even the car. That's how much better it looks. Yeah, it was kind of messed up because I was like, we have to fix it now.
Yeah.
And we have to get it better because if we don't, then the lady will get mad because we lied to her or we tried to cheat. You know, it would have been better for her if we left it burnt.
Now that you tried.
But I kind of went upstairs and I seen some different patches and I'm like, okay, that's if she says something.
She's done work on it before.
Oh, other roommates did.
Oh, other roommate.
Yeah. Okay, give me $10 to find the patch.
Little different than the last guy, right?
Much. A lot different. You really can't tell it's there. You doubt it yourself. That's it. And
You know what? But that's an old lesson I learned. Undersell and over deliver, right? Because especially in this business, you don't want to say, what if you are more picky than I am? And I go, oh yeah, this looks good. And you go, well, no, I can kind of see this. Then what do I do? Oh, sorry. You said you were going to do it, you know.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
yeah.
I think that is about it. That latex glue is going to take a couple hours just to completely set up. That's the white glue that's holding the carpet at the perimeter.
Yeah.
So those loops won't be as fragile or prone to twist out. But the tape underneath is dry.
Sure. We're not gonna vacuum. We're not gonna do anything until tomorrow.
Okay. All right.